In this tool, we'll show you how to operate the software. There is a icon on your desktop. You just need to click on it. This page will appear. Here you need to provide your user ID and password. Once if you have started, this window will appear, which is the transaction part. Now we just need to go to some setup rules. These are the rules which we have to set up once when we have installed the software. For example, membership. If you have membership in your salons, you just need to tick on this part, membership. And whatever membership fees would be charging, that would be mentioned over here. And if you are calculating tax on that, that can be added up. Now, obviously, if you are having some memberships, you would be providing some percentage of discounts to your clients. So here we can have members rate applicable, and you can mention whatever percentage of discount you would be providing to your clients. In that, we also have membership validity dates, which could be mentioned in months. Say, suppose if you're having validity for 12 months, you can mention over here 12 months. You can also have expiry reminders. If you want to know the persons whose membership is expired, you can set the reminder for particular days. Here, and if the person's membership is expired and he wants to renew it, here the membership renewal charges are also mentioned. This totally depends upon you how much you charge from the client. Then we have the concept of loyalty points. Loyalty points are those points which are known as reward points. For example, we go for shopping, we get reward points. It's the same criteria which is used in salons. This can be given to members, non-members, or both. Generally, it is given on service slips. If, for example, it's like if a particular client has performed any service in your salon costing rupees 100, in his account 1 rupees has been deposited. For example, there are 100 points accumulated in a particular client's account, and if he wants to use that points, he can use it by the redemption purpose, that is 1 point is equal to 1 rupees. It can be given as 1 point equal to 1 rupees or 1 point equal to 10 rupees depending upon you totally. Then the next part comes of the incentives. Incentives are nothing but commissions to your employees. We can have, if suppose if there are two operators working on a particular client, you can divide the commission on a basis of 50-50, or else you can have incentive splitting method, which is shown below. You can also have, service tax VAT deducted from the amount, and then the commission has to be given to your employees. In our case, we have five types of commission basis. One is service wise. It's like, for example, if a particular person has done a service of haircut, so he'll be given 2%. For skin, he could be given 5%. Same way, we have other as service category wise. Service category wise, it's like you have categorized all your services within hair, skin, or nails. So accordingly, that percentage can be given over here. Other part is operator wise. Operator wise generally means on flat basis. It's like whatever the service turnover is, you would be providing a particular operator 10% or 5%. The other one is the combination of all the three, operator wise as well as service category wise. But nowadays in the market, target wise is mostly used. It is like you have to set a target for your employees, and that can be, if that is achieved, y- the employee would get the commission. For example, on the right hand side, you can get the slabs also over here. You can form your slabs over here. So suppose if you want to give like 100 to 1000, there would be 0 percentage of commission. Same way, 1000 to 2000, you will be providing him 2%. And accordingly, if you say from 2000 to 10,000, the percentage of that would be 5%. So same way, you can have incentives in percentage or else in amount. The next part for the settings is for invoice entries. In invoice entries, we have things for gift vouchers, discounts. For gift vouchers, it is like that if the gift voucher has been produced by the client, whether incentive should be given on that or not. Same way, it's applicable for discounts. If you're charging service tax, then whether your rates are inclusive of service tax or are exclusive, that can be mentioned over here. And you can also have, like, if you want to mention your employee's name in the invoice printing, you can have the selection of your employees. Same way, product invoice is also there, where you can have gift vouchers, discounts applicable, and VAT tax. In this case, we have different scenario where we have some product red zone quantity. Then we come up to the next part of payroll. Payroll is like whether your salon is fixed weekly or whether your salon is off on Monday or some particular day, then you can set this. Otherwise, major of the salons in the market have employee wise weekly off. It is like that each and every employee will be having a weekday off depending upon the days. Maybe one employee would be having on Monday, the other on Tuesday, and rest on Wednesday, Thursday, accordingly, depending upon your salon categories. Thank you.